Graduated college 2017 and I had $4.28. I moved back home and I put my head down to start UYP basketball, and in only 2 years, 2019, I grew it and it was doing super well until COVID hit. COVID hits and I have to refund a bunch of parents thousands of dollars, and I have no income and thinking, how am I gonna pay my rent? So I hit up some friends and I started a digital company, a marketing company that ended up failing, and we won't go into that. A couple months later after that, I got into real estate full-time officially. I needed to do it. It's something that I've been wanting to do, and I just had excuses. I finally pulled the trigger and it wasn't easy. It took me 6 months to get my first deal, and it was a $1,200 assignment fee for my first deal. That was my first check ever, January 21st, 2021. So we're talking about like 7 months of working 12 hours a day, cold calling, trying to make this happen. On that 7th month, when I got my first check of $1,200, I did 7 more deals, and then I started wholesaling and flipping, and it's been a blessing. I'm not gonna say that I'm thankful for COVID because it was hard for a lot of people, mostly everyone, but I will say that challenges and difficulties will sometimes be needed for you to change your life or for your life to be changed.